Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB. Today we're going to be going over a bit of an Electude tutorial. This is just for educators, so this is just kind of showing you how to add teachers within your space as an administrator. Now when you get this program and this is something that you want to use for your teaching, for your educational purposes, you will get an email from the Electude team that will give you your login as an administrator. Now as an administrator, you are the one who is able to add teachers, but you are not the one who can add students and create programs and courses and things like that. So I'm going to log in as my administrator status, and then I'm just going to show you really quickly. You will just get to this menu. It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty quick, and all you're going to do is you're just going to click on this plus arrow. Click on this plus arrow, you're going to create that person's username. If it's for yourself, you're the administrator, you're the only one using this program, awesome. You're going to create your own username, put in first name, last name, and an email address. That email address being accurate is important, because otherwise your teacher, whoever's going to be getting this account, isn't going to get a setup email. Now your teacher, as soon as you sign up and you put in that information, you're going to get an email that allows you to set up your account and get everything kind of organized to create your classes and create those things. Now really that's it. That's all that there is to create a teacher profile. I'm going to be going over how to create classes, to create your units, and kind of create your spaces and add students in future episodes. But for now, this is where we're going to leave this for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have an awesome day and take care.